Word problems look scary, but most students fail because they don't know what to look for. We have to collect the data from the word problem, and today I'll show you some very easy tricks that turn the long English sentences into very simple linear equations. So the first one, the one of the biggest mistakes is that first ask yourself. If you don't ask it, you make a mistake. What am I trying to find? Simple. For example, a number increased by 7. A number increased by 7 becomes 19. A number increased by 7 becomes 19. So how to convert it into mathematics? Let the unknown number x, okay, increased by means plus, increased by means plus, so right here plus 7, increased by 7. It's not that the ultimate number is 7, it's increased by 7, increment, addition of 7 into that number x, becomes 19, becomes mean equal to, so it's equal to 19. Okay, so now you have to find that unknown number. How simple it is. Look, now simply move 7 on the other side, so it's 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. And the second trick is that some very important words in the word problems, we skip them. We don't read them correctly. This is another problem. So here the word sum, it means plus. Difference, difference means minus. And product means multiply. And quotient, quotient means division. Okay, and more than means, if I write here more than, it means addition, and less than, it means subtraction, and becomes or is, for example, is or becomes, it means equal to. So here is an example, and test your skill now. Can you convert a word problem into a mathematical statement or not? Look, 5 more than a number. 5 more than a number is 17. So what does it mean? The number itself, 5 more than a number, it's x. Our number. What number is that? Unknown. We don't know it, but it's x. 5 more. More means addition. Here 5 plus x is mean equal to 17. So this is the equation. Isn't it interesting? So word problems are never difficult for you. You just make them difficult for you only because you don't read every number in the lens of mathematics. Thank you. Keep on watching our videos and contact me on preply.com.